G'day,
I'm Nora.
I'm Barry.
Welcome to our prison.
We like to invite you to come along, enjoy yourself at our beautiful home, and
Well,
see if
yeah.
you can get out, at least without a smile.
Now I've got 3 stripes. So that means
Three strikes
and you're out.
Well,
Or
maybe.
in.
Yeah,
Depends
I think in. Yeah.
what kind of mood I'm in.
That's right.
Yes.
We got plenty to keep you in fits. I don't know if laughter or just fits. But you know what? Just don't try your luck, because if you do, you'll find out. I'm telling you that right now.
Yeah. I'll tell you too. We mean business.
That's right.
Yeah.